Hello and welcome. We're going to start this new project and we're going to be using the software MS Paint. Now, with the Windows 11 update, they have updated um, Microsoft Paint, and so not all of us have the same version. So the classic Windows Microsoft Paint is available, and so I put this in Schoology for you where you can go to this software information for classic Paint app. And there is a video on how to do this. There's also a link to get the file, but I've included the file here. So I'm going to have you click on this Classic Paint zip file. Once you click on that, it will download to your downloads folder. So we're going to open that up, and I'm going to go here to my downloads folder. And here is the Classic Paint. So I'm going to see this Classic Paint .1-setup. That's an application file. So I'm going to double click on this file to get the setup installation started. Your screen may go into user account controls. I'm going to hit yes. And when I do, this window here now pops up. Okay, and this is the welcome to the Classic Paint Setup Wizard. So I'm going to hit next. It's going to tell me to do some things here. I'm going to hit open settings. What I've found is we don't really need to do them. We just have to tell it that we've satisfied that result. So open, and I'm going to hit next. And if you want a desktop icon, you can click that. I didn't want one, so I left that blank. Hit next. And I'm going to hit install. It's going to go through the process of installing, and I'm going to hit next. It's going to go through that. Finished. Fabulous. When it is finished, your program will pop up on your screen so that you know it has worked. I'm going to close that, and you can click finish. So easy enough. That is how we can get our classic version of Microsoft Paint.